Hi everyone, welcome back to the Career Resources Workshop series. So in this second video, we'll be discussing updating your online presence. In our increasingly digital world, having a strong online presence can significantly impact your career and personal growth. So this guide will show you how to update your online presence to capitalize on the many opportunities that it offers. So first, let's address making your job search public, where LinkedIn comes to play. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows you to connect with other professionals, display your skills and experiences, and discover job opportunities. To publicize your job search, update your LinkedIn profile to represent your current status and objectives. This will help increase your visibility to recruiters and hiring managers and inform your network that you're actively seeking new opportunities. Remember to include internships, mentoring, volunteer work, leadership roles, in school or community activities to showcase a well-rounded profile. Let's discuss networking. So why is networking so important? Friends and professional contacts can greatly assist with recruitment. So reaching out to your network of classmates, family, and friends to inform that you're actively seeking new opportunities and requesting their support is always a good idea. They might connect you, with potential employers or refer you to job openings. Furthermore, tapping into your extensive alumni networks, whether that be from high school, your undergraduate or grad school networks, can be really beneficial, because alumni are more likely to engage with individuals who attended the same school as them or they have some sort of connection to them. Aside from LinkedIn, updating your personal and professional social medias is really important. Make sure that your profile picture is professional, suitable, and current, and your bio reflects your present status and goals. This helps to project a more cohesive and professional image to potential employers and other professional contacts. As mentioned by the Columbia Career Network, your LinkedIn profile should make a great first impression. And one way to achieve this is by using eye-catching keywords in your header. So now let's talk about creating a technical portfolio. Technical portfolio is a collection of your projects and experiences that demonstrate your technical skills and abilities. A great place to create a technical portfolio is on GitHub, which is a platform for hosting and sharing code. To create a GitHub portfolio, simply sign up for a free account and you can start uploading projects that you've worked on in the past. This will give potential employers and other professional contacts a glimpse into your technical abilities and show that you're actively engaged in the field. For example, let's take a look at IBM's GitHub, specifically their OpenDS for All GitHub page. So this is the main page of IBM's OpenDS for All GitHub page. And if you scroll down, it provides you an introduction of what OpenDS for All is and how to use it. If you open the OpenDS for All resources page and then go into the data wrangling and integration, here you can check out my video that I made that is related to data cleaning. And you can see that I mentioned here on the IBM GitHub page. Finally, let's talk about creating an elevator pitch. So an elevator pitch is a brief, persuasive speech that you can use to spark interest in what you do. And oftentimes you can use your elevator pitch as part of the tell me about yourself that is often asked in interviews. Your elevator pitch should be concise, memorable, and highlight your unique skills and experiences. As you can see here, this is an example of an elevator pitch. This is basically just the start of the introduction of my elevator pitch. And it's really important to practice your elevator pitch so that you're confident when you're networking or having employer interactions. And make sure that in terms of your elevator pitch, you incorporate, your personal story and you're able to exemplify your skill sets that would make you relevant to certain roles or employers. So in conclusion, by making your job search public on LinkedIn, leveraging your alumni network, updating your social media profiles, creating a technical portfolio on GitHub, and crafting a memorable elevator pitch, you can take control of your online presence and create opportunities for personal and professional growth. So good luck and happy updating.